Hello and welcome to yet another video, and in this video it's rather spontaneous because we actually are escaping from the rain outside. We're in Cologne right now and we just found this parking lot and we just thought it might be a good idea to do a photo shoot here because the lighting is really interesting. And this is my model for today.
Hello guys, I'm Jerome and my Instagram is @jrishan. Nice to meet you.
Okay, so yeah, let's get the shoot done because I have a train to catch soon, so let's get into the video. So for the first scene, it's actually very straightforward. This parking lot is lit up really nicely. Yes, there's a lot of flicker, which you will probably see in the end result. You can't really see the flicker with the naked eye, but the camera actually sees a lot of flickering. And still, this parking lot is actually lit pretty impeccably for, well, urban style shoot that I'm actually aiming for in this case. And for this shoot, I'm actually seeing a lot of just walking towards the camera or facing away the camera, kind of just having the subject in the center of the frame kind of images. Very straightforward, it's very simple, and I also think that the editing will also be very minimal on this. So yeah. From the camera, like back facing the camera. Yeah, like that. It's good. Slowly. And now could you do a turn and then come back to the camera where you were standing? Yeah. It's pretty good. Yes, I like the smoke coming out of your mouth. Wait. Yeah. Could you do that pose, but just step backwards this way, just half a step? Yeah. Brilliant. Yeah. Could you switch the legs, like your forward leg is your left leg? And yes. Brilliant. I need to move you a little bit, wait. No, here. Great. Could you do the same pose again, like just walk towards the camera? Yeah. Look at the camera. Step back to this, like, yeah, and move backwards a little bit. Yeah, like that. Brilliant. Yes, I like that smoke. That's a nice stare. Great. I think let's move to a second location, which is practically here. So kind of like the same style of posing, but yeah, just in the middle over here. I really like the Auffahrt signs. All right, that's pretty good shot. Yeah, slowly, walk slowly, really slowly towards me. There's a car coming, okay. Quickly, in the middle. Ah, missed it. Would have been a really cool red light of the car. But yeah. Yes, I like that pose. Yeah. Great. I think if you could stand there, another pose I think of using is, I hope this will come out clear in the final shot because I'm gonna go handheld. It's gonna be like your fixed head shot kind of thing. So yeah. And also try not to talk to your model the way I talk to mine, because in this case we're all just friends group, so we might use a little bit harsh language or just be too direct or too straightforward or too cold with each other simply because, yeah, we're a friend group. So yeah. Yeah, great. Yeah, look really, yeah, like that. It's good. Yes, you're pretty good. Look up a little bit, heads up. A bit more? Yeah, brilliant. Oh, here are some of the results.
Oh damn, dude.
Actually, let's search on the rooftop first. So since the rain actually stopped, we decided to head upstairs to the rooftop to see if there are any interesting backgrounds or any interesting lighting that we can actually play around with for the portrait shoot, and just take advantage, you know, of while we're there, because the texture, the road, the signs, the lighting, temperature is actually very interesting to my opinion. So yeah. Oh, the green light, man. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Could you come a bit closer? Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's better to look this way, your left, I think, and sometimes also look straight into the camera with a really strong stare. It's really nice because it's really misty and there's a green light behind you. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, keep on playing with your bag as if like you're putting on your bag. Yeah. Look into the camera. Yes, great. I think I'm gonna go closer now to you and get that headshot. Okay. That was actually really similar to the one we just had in the parking lot.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't look into the camera. Look down there. Yeah. Bigger eyes. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Whew.
Now your head is going to
Yeah. 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 Yes.
Dude.
Beautiful. Yeah, keep on. Yeah. So yeah, manually focusing on this scene was actually really difficult, and to be honest, my arm was really tired at the end of it, since the weight of the camera with the lens was actually quite heavy to hold it for pretty long period of time. So yeah, the camera juice just ran out right at the very last shot for this particular setting,
okay.
And now we're just moving on to the next location. I just kind of want the leaning shots. Yeah, great. This is great. Okay, I think I have to go a bit wider. Okay, I think we have a wrap for this location.
I take your happiness and I take it times -4.
Actually, Jerome, can you actually stand here and just like kind of like pose either back to your wall or with your hand? Like
This? Like this?
yeah, let me try. It's just a concept idea. One more. Just okay. Jerome, can you actually pose over here? Just like kind of maybe your butt area on the rail, like
I see.
yeah. No, you actually are in the perfect height for this. And kind of like a pose that you look into the camera. Yeah. Yeah, that's sharp. Yes. I need to be a bit closer. Okay. Whew. Okay, for the stair shoot, I was thinking, yeah, if you could like, when you're coming down on the staircase and you kind of like in a rush and then you just want to catch you in the action of like one foot is like this and then your hand is kind of...
Ah, okay, I see what you mean.
Actually, come back. Come back. It would be cool if you do it and while the door is open. So when you go in,
Okay.
you open the door like, yeah. And quickly do the pose. Yes.
Okay, wait, just to practice.
Yes, practice. Yeah.
Like swing my feet around like that, or
This was almost perfect, man. This was almost perfect.
oh. Okay, okay.
Because I want the door to be open and then leading to him. It was just almost perfect.
Okay. We have a limited time frame.
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, maybe give your bag to one of your friends.
Because also my shoes are really slim. Okay,
Yeah.
give me a timer.
3, 2, 1, go. I just did. Nope, that was not as good.
I think I got it.
Okay.
Okay, you wanna go?
Yeah.
Wait.
3, 2, 1, go. Nope. It was. Your energy was there. It's just that your face went into the other side. So it's kind of like your leg without your head.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I give you a look at the camera or should I just look back?
Just look down there. Yeah. Just look on your path, yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. So that was actually a really spontaneous photo shoot. We're actually all friends and we were just escaping from the rain outside into the parking lot and just got the idea of doing a photo shoot, but I hope you can actually get something from this video, if not a lot then a little. If you need a free photography guidebook, it's linked down in the description below. Just click and download, it's absolutely for free. The link from my friend who is also a model will also be in the description below or on the screen. Yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to also ask me at any time and I'll do my best to answer. Yeah. Otherwise, I think this was a wrap and stay safe, have a great time, have fun shooting, and bye for now.